The vehicle is on right now and the gas pedal isn't responding despite the pressing harder. Okay, so if this is the kind of problem you are facing, stay tuned on the video because I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem. You guys are welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be dealing on a vehicle not accelerating. Come right with me. So when I say this vehicle is not accelerating, I mean when we depress the gas pedal, this gas pedal, the accelerator pedal, it's not responding, it's just idle. Okay, so I'm gonna start the vehicle right now because this was the problem my client complained. Though I've done this kind of problem in other of my video. Okay, so the vehicle is on right now. Okay, come and show them the dashboard, let them see. If you look closely, you will see that the vehicle is on right now. So I'm going to accelerate the gas pedal. Okay, so now show them the gas pedal. You can see that this is the gas pedal. I'm depressing the gas pedal, but it's not accelerating. Nothing is working despite the vehicle on. Okay, so we are going to fix this problem. Whatever it is, we're going to fix this problem. Okay, so if that is the kind of content you would love to get, I urge you to subscribe to the channel because more of this video will be coming. Okay, so let's get in started. So first I'm gonna turn off, okay, and then let's check for the possible problem of this vehicle. So initially I told my viewers, my subscriber, that this problem is majorly caused by a fuse. That is when the gas pedal is not receiving current to send to the throttle body. It won't open. Okay, so the throttle body will just be dormant. So first of all, I'm gonna locate the fuse to see if there's any blown fuse. So this is the fuse right here. Okay, so I'll open this fuse. Okay, and we're gonna deal with a plier. We need plier. So before you locate the fuse, you have to know the exact fuse you are looking for. You know, each of these parts of a car has a fuse that controls it. Okay, so normally this gas pedal is being controlled by the ETCS fuse. So we're gonna locate the ETCS fuse first of all to see if it's blown off or not. So let's get it started. The ETCS fuse, ETCS, okay, ETCS. Okay, this is ETCS. You can see this. This is ETCS fuse, ETCS 10A. Okay, so we are going to look for this ETS fuse 10A on this fuse box. Okay, so once you've seen the exact fuse, what you should do next is to locate the fuse. Okay, so we're gonna position the fuse. Okay, let's say something like this. Okay, no, let me turn. It will be better. This is the right way. Okay, so this is the right way to position it. You can see that we have a line here, line, and this is it also. Okay, so I'm gonna count. You can see these two box main 40A and AM2. This is it right here. This is it. Okay, this is it. Then this straight line is for this. Okay, so for the ETC 10A, we're gonna locate it. We have it at second, the second fuse. After the first, the second. So if we should count on this line, that means it's the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna pull off this to see if the fuse is blown off. Remember, you're gonna do it with a plier. So this is the fuse. Okay, oh, it's blown off already. You can see that the fuse is blown off. So since the fuse is blown off, what we should do is just to replace the fuse. Okay, so I'm gonna install another fuse. I'm gonna use this to replace the blown fuse. Okay, so we press in the fuse and make sure it's well connected, and we are going to head over to the key switch to see what we did. Okay, so I'm gonna start the vehicle. Okay, show them the vehicle is on right now. Okay, then I'll now accelerate. You can see that the gas pedal is now responding. Okay, so it's now responding. So the problem was the ETC fuse, the ETCS fuse that was blown off. That was the problem. So that was the reason why this vehicle is not accelerating when you press the gas pedal. Okay, so right now the car can now get current because it's the fuse that supplies the amount of current this gas pedal needs to send data to the throttle body. So now, since we fixed in the fuse, it can now work perfectly. So when I say accelerate, it's now accelerating fine. So what we are going to do is to cover back our box. Okay, so make sure you don't forget the box. Okay, so job done. So I hope that was helpful. Yeah, whatever car problem that you have, do well to drop it at the comment section, and we will get that done. I could assist. Also on the channel, I have a WhatsApp link that you can share your car problem. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.